Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with a warm engine. This stabilizes idle and prevents chasing false readings. Once warm, sit on the bike, locate the idle adjustment screw on the throttle body, and mark its position so you can return if needed. Use a tachometer and turn the screw in 1/4 turn increments. Allow 2-3 seconds after each move so RPM can settle. Make course adjustments first to get within about 200 RPM of your target, then slow down and refine. Once done with course changes, refine at operating load. Disable the choke and confirm the bike is in neutral. Use the tachometer while gently blipping the throttle to verify smooth return to idle. This shows whether the throttle plate and TPS are synchronized. Make small corrections, 1 notch or 1/4 turn at a time, and wait for RPM to settle. If the idle is jumpy, check for vacuum leaks or a dirty throttle body before further adjustments. You finish by securing the screw position, removing tools, and rechecking the idle after a brief 2 to 5 minute run to confirm stability. Then take a short test ride and observe cold start RPM, warming behavior, and gear-in idle hold. This confirms real-world performance. If you still have surging or low idle, the troubleshooting tip: check the throttle position sensor, vacuum hoses, and battery voltage. These commonly cause unstable RPM and must.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.